Hi, welcome back to Derek's Jeep Garage. So today we're actually going to replace our old Cherokee brake lines and replace them with a 95 to 1998 two-wheel drive Silverado brake line. Now what we're going to do in order to make that adapt to our Crewmanche build, I'm going to take this bracket, push it further down the line so I can mount it inside my fender wall onto my frame sticker. I'm also going to take where you'd insert your banjo bolt right here. We're going to shave down this little bit here is standing proud. We're going to shave that down so it's nice and flush. And then we're also going to shave down, oh geez, like a 32nd of an inch, just a little bit on one side in order to get a nice smooth fit in it. Now the cool thing about this is that it's going to give me about another 10 inches of travel over a stock Cherokee line. You could also go with rough country. They do a nice 4 to 6 inch lift brake line kit for your Cherokee. But for our application, the Silverado line is just a little bit longer. We got nearly 10 inches of lift on the front of this Cherokee. So now the next step is going to be adjusting this mounting bracket to be a little bit higher up so we can attach it to our frame stiffeners in our wheel well. First, we'll take a screwdriver and gently pry up. This will allow us enough space where we can freely move the line. We'll come within about 2 or 3 inches of the end, and that should be enough to give us a good mounting place onto our wheel well. So as you can see, I've actually ground down and made it completely flat, so it should stand really flush against our brakes on our front of our Cherokee. Now also it's good to note too that you actually want to use the passenger side on the driver's side and then vice versa on the other side. Now this will actually give you a better angle that'll fit the Cherokee. Maybe it worked on the Silverado, but on the Cherokee you actually want to flip the driver with the passenger. So first we're going to attach the top end. So we'll need a 10mm socket or brake line wrench. But first I'm just going to hand tighten it. Well, now that we're under the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and do a quick test fit. Okay, so that seems nice. It looks like we actually subtracted enough material off that 1500 Silverado line to actually fit up flush with our Cherokee components. We'll go ahead and we'll put our washer and our banjo bolt in, and we'll do a quick test fit.
Gotta do all you can, 'cause freedom is an easy thing to lose. There's folks that fight and die.
Now that we got the brake line installed, we're one step closer to getting this thing down the trail. Hope you guys tune in next time while I solve my fuel line issue. Thanks for watching.